that worried, no money or any relationship you break up, because the light will find you the truth. Okay, so now we go to another one. You got good luck. Yeah, you need to take care of your health. Okay, because you got good luck. Okay, by the October you will be recovering everything, your sickness and everything, that you got good luck there. Okay, so you just look after yourself because you're connected to the animals. So make you happy when you see animals, go to the zoo, go to traveling, or go to adopt some you know how to look up the people, and you're gonna finish everything. Pisces, all right, February 20 to March 20, you're gonna finish, and you're planning to buy a house, or you're traveling in the hot country. Okay, so the 10 is a good, and you finish your problem. So if what happened in your health will be fine. Okay, Pisces, I see here you got good luck for in October. Money. Okay, so or you're attending the, or someone might be find the, you're getting married. Okay, so or you got a blessing from heaven. Okay, so you got pentacles, so you got a good luck here. Okay, and the ancestor are trying to help you, give you the truth, and you go doing some business. Okay, after your wedding, you got a good luck, you got present, maybe you got gift a big large of money. Okay, from 3,000 to above. Okay, and maybe you're gonna win the lottery because you got some lucky 888 is the infinite. Okay, so money and your health is be back to normal. Okay, so how about the relationship? And you're looking something that your match. Okay, but be fine because you got some attending the wedding, or you're getting married or engaged. Okay, so there's another one, that's your relationship. You can meet your soulmate, or whatever is your girlfriend, or you find someone is your soulmate. Okay, so because the angel is trying to help you and together, but you've been break up, you look sad and you're going away, and you don't know what happened, but in the night, it's only night. Okay, in the morning you don't know. So you means you with your match your um relationship. Okay, you work together. Okay, do business, and you get well of fortune in October, so you get good luck. Okay.